Hello children, we'll start today's video with an activity which is given in your book at page number 36. As you can see here, the aim of this activity is to compare water soaking capacity of natural and synthetic fibers and time needed for drying those fibers. For this activity, I have taken two beakers of equal size, both of 200 ml capacity. In one of the beakers, I have taken 150 ml of water and I soaked a fabric which has only synthetic fibers in it. So I'll keep it soaked in this beaker for 5 minutes. In another beaker, I have again taken 150 ml of water. There I soaked one fabric piece that is consisting of only natural fibers. So I'll keep the fabric pieces soaked in equal amount of water into separate beakers for 5 minutes to observe what happens at last. Within these 5 minutes, we'll discuss another topic and then we'll come back to the same activity. Advantages of synthetic fibers over natural fibers. Synthetic fibers have many advantages over natural fibers, for which fabrics made up of synthetic fibers have become more popular these days than fabrics which are made up of natural fibers. Synthetic fibers are more affordable than natural fibers. It means synthetic fibers are cheaper than natural fibers. The reason being that you can produce synthetic fibers in as much quantity as you need, which is not possible in case of natural fibers. Synthetic fibers are easy to wash and maintain. Synthetic fibers can be cleaned easily using detergents and soaps. These are easy to maintain. The reason being that these are mostly crease resistant. Once you press a fabric which is made up of synthetic fibers, it remains crisp for a long period of time and then you can use it twice or thrice without pressing it using an electric iron. So synthetic fibers are easy to wash and maintain. Synthetic fibers dry up quickly. We have already discussed that synthetic fibers cannot retain water in them for a long period of time. They have the drip dry property, means whatever water is stored within the fibers, these come out very quickly. For these reasons, synthetic fibers dry up quickly and synthetic fibers remain crisp for a long period of time. These are easy to wash and maintain. Synthetic fibers are more durable than natural fibers. Fabrics made up of synthetic fibers, they may last for 10-15 years, whereas fabrics which are made up of natural fibers, if you use them on a regular basis, they will hardly last for 2 to 3 years. Synthetic fibers are available in variety of colors. Synthetic fibers can be dyed using so many dyes that these are available in market in varieties of colors. So many varieties are not possible in case of natural fibers. So when we want to use colored variety of clothes, we prefer to use fabrics which are made up of synthetic fibers. Coming back to the previous activity, this beaker in which I took 150 ml of water and I soaked a piece of cloth which was a synthetic fabric. After squeezing this piece of cloth, we can find that out of 150 ml of water, only 10 milliliter of water has been soaked by this synthetic fabric and therefore 140 ml of water is left behind in the beaker. In the other beaker where I soak a natural fabric, after squeezing this piece of fabric or cloth completely, I can find that 120 ml of water is left behind in the beaker. That means this fabric, which consists of only natural fibers in it, could absorb or soak around 30 ml of water, and therefore 120 ml of water is left behind in the beaker. So what we have seen from this activity is that synthetic fibers soak or absorb less water. Now if I take out both the fabrics from within the beaker and then allow them to dry in the sun, obviously we will find that the synthetic fabric will dry quickly as compared to natural fabric. If synthetic fabrics need 1 hour for drying up completely, when kept in the sun for 1 hour it dries up completely, then in case of this natural fabric it will need around 3 hours to dry up completely. So our observation can be summarized like this: synthetic fibers soak or absorb less water and they dry up quickly than natural fibers. Thank you.